30. Oh, I think I got it. Do it again. Come on. That. Oh wow, the temperature's changing. I can feel it. For the better. That. Oh, is that it? Nope. I don't know. Maybe it did just fly out. There's a muscle car. And there's a grackle. In other news, in grackle news, I've got 3 grackles. I've got Count Dracula, and I've got the one I call Bernie Flightson. And I don't know which one this one. One of them looks like he has like a burned face. It's really weird. See if he's brave enough to come get it. It's pretty close for him. Some of them are getting really close, really good and used to me. I think that's pretty good. And there's one that I'm pretty sure we're both working on him catching a peanut in midair. Because I've thrown them up really high and he tries to swoop down real quick and get them. The smart grackles will stay here and eat their peanuts here, because as soon as they take off with a peanut, every other grackle sees that they got it, and then it's a free-for-all for the peanut. So he's a smart one. He's like, I'm going to sneak a snack here. And the rain is slowly starting. There's a mourning dove nest up in this tree here. Oh, we can see one of the mourning doves right there. Kind of. I can see it. Can you see it? But my mysterious bird... Oh, hey buddy. Oh. Storm coming, bro. Hey, storm coming. What are you looking at that for? Hmm?